In this tutorial, I'll show you how to fix DuckDuckGo not working, not opening on laptop PC. By the end of this video, you'll have walked through a focused checklist to get DuckDuckGo opening and working normally on your laptop PC. First, check your internet connection. Look at your Wi-Fi or Ethernet icon and make sure you're connected. Open any other website in your browser to confirm pages load. If other sites don't load, reconnect to your network or switch to a different network before continuing. Next, restart your computer. Click Start, choose Restart, and wait for the system to fully reboot. This clears temporary glitches that can prevent DuckDuckGo from opening. Make sure the browser is updated to the latest version. Open your browser's menu, go to Helper Settings, and open the About page. Most browsers check for updates automatically here. If an update is available, let it download and install, then close and reopen the browser and try DuckDuckGo again. Close other programs that may interfere. Look along your taskbar and system tray and exit tools like VPNs, proxy apps, ad blockers, or privacy and security utilities that inject into the browser. If a program is running in the background, right-click it and choose Exit or Quit so it fully closes. Then switch back to your browser and try loading DuckDuckGo. Clear browser cache and cookies. In your browser, open Settings, then Privacy or Security. Find Clear Browsing Data. Select cookies and other site data and cached images and files. Choose All Time as the time range, so nothing from past sessions causes conflicts, then click Clear Data. When it finishes, close the Settings tab, fully close the browser, reopen it, and go to duckduckgo.com. Disable any antivirus or firewall temporarily. Open your security app or Windows Security from the Start menu. Turn off real-time protection and the firewall just for a short test. This is safe for a couple of minutes while you check the site. Return to your browser and try DuckDuckGo. If it opens now, you've found the cause. Re-enable your antivirus and firewall immediately after testing so you stay protected. Try opening DuckDuckGo in another browser. If you were using the DuckDuckGo browser, test in Chrome, Edge, or Firefox. If you were using another browser, try a different one. Open the new browser, type duckduckgo.com in the address bar, and press Enter. If it works here, the issue is likely with your original browser's settings or extension conflicts. Uninstall and reinstall the DuckDuckGo browser. On Windows, open Settings, go to Apps, then Installed Apps. Find DuckDuckGo browser, click it, and select Uninstall. Confirm to remove it. Next, open another trusted browser. Go to the official DuckDuckGo website, download the latest DuckDuckGo browser installer for Windows, and run it. Follow the on-screen prompts to complete installation. When it's done, open the DuckDuckGo browser and try loading duckduckgo.com again. Check system updates and install any pending updates. Open Settings, select Windows Update, and click Check for updates. Download and install everything that's available. If you're prompted to restart, go ahead and restart. After the update completes, open your browser and test DuckDuckGo. On Contact DuckDuckGo support if the issue persists. Visit the DuckDuckGo Help Center, describe the problem clearly, include your operating system and browser version, and mention any error messages you saw. Attach a short screenshot if it helps. Follow any guidance they provide to finish the fix. At this point, DuckDuckGo should open normally on your laptop PC and work without errors. For more step-by-step tutorials like this, subscribe and check out the other guides available on the channel.